In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make and use the grinder in Grounded 2. So I'm going to show you now. If you click on the B button, you should be able to see the grinder on the first one, but on the second page here. So here is grinder. If you're not able to see it, you need to actually analyze flower petal. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's the flower petal that you need to analyze to be able to actually get it. And now when you have I'm going to show you first, sorry, where you can actually get it. So I was able to get a bunch around this area right here. So if I zoom out, here's the picnic table. I was able to get lots of these flower petals around this area. So now when you've gotten it, we can just start making it. And I'm just going to start making it here. And only weed stems left. I think I had a lot of here. Yep. And we need another one, okay. And now it's done. So now when it's done, you can just click right here. And for example, as you can see, it can grind down sprigs here. So I'm just going to click on craft here. And then we're going to wait for it to craft down. And yeah, basically that is exactly how to make and use it.